Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Teams error, that is an error has occurred in the script on this page. So if you are receiving this script error whenever you launch Microsoft Teams, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to disable the script error notification from internet options. For this, open control panel. So just type in control panel in Windows search box and then click on control panel. Now by default category would be selected over here, so you have to go ahead and click on view by and click on this drop down and select small, and then you have to go ahead and open internet options. So click on internet options and then go to the advanced tab over here and scroll down. Over here you can see the option which says display a notification about every script error. Now if this option is checked, you have to go ahead and uncheck this. So only you have to make changes with this option. Do not make any changes with other options. So uncheck the option which says display a notification about every script error and then click on apply, OK, and then launch Microsoft Teams, and that should go ahead and fix the error message. Now still you are receiving the error message. In that case you can go ahead and perform Cleanboot. To perform Cleanboot, go ahead and type in system configuration in Windows search box and then click on system configuration. Now go to the services tab and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services. Put a check over here first and then click on disable all, then click on apply, OK, and then restart your computer and then launch Microsoft Teams. The next step is to reset Internet Explorer setting to default. For this, again open control panel and then again click on internet options. Now go to the advanced tab once again. Now on the bottom over here you can see which says reset Internet Explorer settings and then click on reset. Now before you perform reset, let me inform you that once you reset, it will go ahead and disable toolbars and add-ons. It will default web browser settings, and then it will default privacy settings, security settings, and it will go ahead and reset all these options. So if you agree, go ahead and click on reset, and after the reset you can go ahead and try to launch Microsoft Teams once again. Now in case if nothing is working, you can go ahead and run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So open command prompt, so type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow and paste the command over here, hit the enter key, and once this scan is 100% complete, you have to go ahead and run the second scan. So let this scan be 100% complete. Once this is 100% complete, then you copy the second command and then paste it in the command prompt window, hit the enter key, and once the second scan is 100% complete, restart your computer and then launch Microsoft Teams. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get rid of this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.